Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about Christmas DIYs and Christmas decorating on a budget. If that sounds like your cup of tea, then go ahead and keep watching. Alright guys, so my name is Wendy for those of you that are new to my channel. I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and stick around. I have done quite a few Christmas DIYs so far. I have quite a few from last year. I will link those up above and down below if you guys want to check those out. So today I'm going to be focusing on, I have my notes here. I'm going to be focusing on just kind of the decorating I've done recently. I just got all of our Christmas stuff out. Why do I have this ugly coffee cup here? Could have at least put it in something cute, sorry. Anywho, so I got all the Christmas stuff out this weekend, and for the most part I have everything up, but I was kind of going through and I was like, there's a few items that I am missing that I would like to have for this year. And so I was kind of trying to think, how can I do this on a budget? I don't want to spend a lot of money buying new Christmas stuff because we already have a lot of stuff. So I didn't want to have to go out and buy a bunch of new stuff. So the first thing that I'm going to be showing you guys is my 3-tier tray. So originally I just kind of went around my house and found some Christmas stuff that I had, and I was just kind of trying to decorate with that. Well, I got it all put together and I did not love it. So the theme I'm kind of going for in my kitchen and dining room this year is like the red and black, the buffalo, what's it called? Buffalo print? That's kind of my theme that I'm going for, and the tray just didn't match my theme. So I went out to Hobby Lobby and I bought the cute little red truck to put in there, and these cute little, these cute little guys right here. So these are just little, they're actually ornaments. It came in a 4-pack, and they were, I want to say they were 14, but I got it for 50% off because Hobby Lobby has all their Christmas stuff on sale. But I just thought this was so cute. It's got that print, and then it's kind of got like fake snow on it, and I loved that it had the greenery. So I put a couple in there, and then I did put a couple back here too, just because they're adorable and I had to put them somewhere. So I'm really happy with how the tray turned out. I used my lights from IKEA. They're battery operated, so all I have to do is turn them on. I kind of wish they had a timer, but that's okay. And then I used the white snow stuff, like material. What the heck is that called? It's from Dollar Tree, but I'm gonna warn you guys, it has glitter in it. That glitter does not stay on the fabric. It was all over my floor, which I don't care. I like glitter. I'm a fan. But yeah, so if you are not a fan of glitter and you don't want to make a mess all over your house, I wouldn't buy that stuff. So the next thing we're going to talk about is my table setting. I'm sitting at my table right now. I feel like such a grown-up. I actually have it set, and I'm not even going to be using it right now. It's just set for decoration. I've never done that before. I kind of thought with kids that it was kind of silly to do that, but I feel like my kids are a little older where they understand, and like last night they wanted to color at the table, so I was like, yeah, just move, you know, it's just this charger right here. I was like, go ahead and just move it. So, oh, and it's all plastic, so nothing is breakable. But yeah, I love how it looks. I think it turned out really cute. I ended up getting the table runner at Hobby Lobby. It was, I want to say like 7 something because it was 50% off. And then these are the chargers from Dollar Tree. I am completely obsessed with these. I've been looking at my Dollar Trees for quite some time now, looking for this pattern of stuff. I did find some towels, and I finally found these chargers. So I got 6 of them for our table. And then I went yesterday and went to a different Dollar Tree and found these. These are plastic as well. I believe they're plastic. I mean, they're not glass. Yeah, so they're just little plates, and they are kind of small. I know that the plate that sits on here should be a little bit bigger, but I wanted something that was not breakable. So I got 6 of these, and then I ended up getting these napkins from Burlington. It was a 6-pack for a 6-pack for like $7, I think. Burlington has a lot of cute stuff too. So I got that, and I was thinking, I need a napkin ring. So this is going to kind of tie into the next few DIYs because I was thinking outside of the box on this one. So this right here is actually wrapping paper that I picked up from Dollar Tree. So they had that buffalo print, is that what it's even called? The buffalo print wrapping paper, and I was like, ooh, what could I make with that? Because I was just trying to kind of tie in that pattern more into my kitchen. So I got some of the wrapping paper and I cut those off to make little napkin rings. And I thought that was so cute. So, I mean, you could totally, like if you find a wrapping paper that you really like, you could do that for any season, you know, if you want to decorate for whatever. So I don't know, some of you might think it looks cheap or tacky, but I think it looks cute. We're gonna talk about the other things I did with the wrapping paper. So I found the little metal letters at Dollar Tree that say believe, joy, and peace. And I was like, what can I make with those? So I decided I didn't buy any new frames or anything. I wanted to see what I already had in my house because I'm all about not having to buy new stuff and kind of recycle stuff that I already have. Okay, so this is a frame that I used. All I did was take the glass out, covered the glass with the wrapping paper, and put it back in. And then I glued the believe onto it. And I think this turned out so cute, and it's got that pattern. And I mean, I'm looking at it right now and I can't even tell that it's wrapping paper. And then I also had this little coffee sign on my coffee bar, and I decided to cut a little piece of wrapping paper and I just taped it with a little piece of tape, so I'm hoping it doesn't hurt the wood or anything. But I just put a little piece of the wrapping paper inside of there and put peace on there. And then I had this other little frame. I don't even know what this frame was for, but I've had it for a while. And I thought about staining the outside of it, but I kind of like the rustic wood look of it, and it's right over here behind me if you guys can see it. So I just did the same thing with that. I covered the glass with the wrapping paper and then put joy in that one. And I think these turned out so stinking cute, and they literally cost like no money at all. I bought that wrapping paper for $1 and I still have a ton left. So I'm gonna try to think of some other things I could possibly do with that wrapping paper. Oh, hey guys. So I totally forgot to talk about this little DIY. I don't know if you guys remember my video. I did like a Goodwill challenge or something like that, a thrifting challenge. And I bought this little thing, decided that I would try to like decorate it for the seasons. Well, I haven't really been doing that, but I thought it would be cool to put this wrapping paper behind it so that you could see like that pattern behind it when it sits on my buffet. And I think this turned out so cute. So all I did was just measure out the size of the actual box, and I cut it out with my X-Acto knife. I did really tiny pieces of glue on it just to get it to stick. I figured if it's not going to ruin anything, I could just sand it and restain it. But I think this turned out super cute, and it just gave me a little bit more of that design in the dining room. All right, the next thing I'm going to talk about is this cute little tray that I made. I made this a while ago. I made like what was it called? Like a farmhouse French tray. That's what it was. I found the idea, I think, on Pinterest or something like that. For Halloween, I kind of redid it and made it a little trick-or-treat tray. And now we are going to do a Let It Snow tray. So I found these cute little stencils at Dollar Tree. They are killing it, man. So they've got like a little Christmas craft section. I don't know if your Dollar Trees have that, but it's so cute and they have a lot of neat stuff. So they had a couple different kinds of stencils, but I wanted to do the Let It Snow because I wanted to do it in like a silver or a blue and put it in my living room because those colors in there I'm kind of confused in there. I have some pinks, I have some like teals, not really teal, like a light blue. But yeah, so I wanted to put that in the other room. So all I did was take I had a light blue acrylic paint and my platinum acrylic paint, and I just mixed those two together and then stenciled it out with that. So I did Let It Snow, and then I put a couple little snowflakes around that too. And I think that one turned out super cute as well. And all I did for that was just put it on a regular old piece of paper. So I was trying to find some photo paper, but I couldn't find any. So, I mean, it works fine on just regular paper. So I love this tray because I can literally change it out for every season. And then what I do is I just put whatever, like the farmhouse French one and then the Halloween one, I keep in there in the back. So if I ever want to switch it back to that, they're right there. So I love that tray. All right, so these next two things that I'm going to talk about are actually two DIYs that I did last year, but they are so cute that I just wanted to share with you guys. You may have already seen these before, or maybe you haven't, but I did them again. I'm looking at them right now and they're so cute. So the first one is the bows on the cabinets. I just absolutely love this one. We redid our kitchen like a year and a half ago, and we got white cabinets, and I think it looks so stinking cute putting the bows on the white. Like, it would look cute on any cabinet, but I'm just saying it just looks really cute on the white, like the red and the white together. So all I did was take this ribbon from Dollar Tree and pretty much tape it on there. And I'm gonna show you guys in parts of the video from last year. I could not figure out how to make a bow. Plus, I didn't buy enough of the ribbon, so I was kind of trying to be creative and think outside the box. So I just kind of made a bow. I made it look like a bow, and honestly, I think they look fine. And the cool thing is that they held up. Like, I put them away with my Christmas decorations, and I pulled them out and just taped them right back up, and they look great. So those are a super easy, fun Christmas thing to do. Your kids are gonna love them. They look like Christmas presents. So that's one of my favorites from last year. All right, moving on to probably my most favorite, I say that a lot, one of my most favorite DIYs that I've ever done. It is the frame. It's a Dollar Tree frame. Actually, I don't know if this frame was from Dollar Tree. It might have been one I already had. I'm all about reusing stuff. But it is a Dollar Tree gift bag, and I just cut it to size to make it fit into the frame. And then I bought these Dollar Tree candy cane lights. They're battery operated lights, and I glued them on there. And that's it, you guys. It's so cute. I think it cost me $2 to make. Yeah, $1 for the bag and $1 for the lights, because I already had the frame. But you can totally pick out a frame from there. And I mean, you can do this with any of their gift bags. They've got some really cute gift bags. And they've got tons of the little battery operated lights this year. They've got stars, snowflakes. I haven't seen the candy canes, but they've got like the Christmas bulbs. They've got some really cute ones. And I actually made one for my mom as well. And her lights we ended up getting at Home Depot, and they're really cute, and they have a timer and everything. So they were a little more expensive, but hers turned out really cute too. All right, you guys, those are just some of my top Christmas DIYs this year and decorating on a budget ideas. I hope you guys liked this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And I hope you all had a great Thanksgiving. I hope you have an awesome weekend, and we'll see you all soon. Bye.